Good afternoon, John.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sorry I came late today. I had a flat tire, so I had to fix it before coming.
No problem, sir. No problem.
Today we are still on mathematics, and we're talking about 1 + 1, and the fact is that 1 + 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So do you have any question for previous classes before we head on to today's class?
Yeah, I have a question to ask you. Sir, if 1 + 1 can be 2, and then 1 times 1 is 1, why not 1 times 1, 11?
Oh, John, don't worry. It's very simple. 1 times 1 is 1 because 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 because
Jesus! Somebody that went to school.
Sir, hope all is well.
Continue. Here is God. Oh.
You think say they wise?
I hear me, me, by me.
John.
Sir.
Tomorrow.
You can be prosecuted for that.
We'll work things out, okay? We'll work things out tomorrow.
What are you running?
Tomorrow.
It is what it is. It is what it is.